How to add a sale price to Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add a sale price to Shopify. So, first of all, log into your Shopify account and open your store dashboard. Once you are in, from the left side menu, click on Products. This will open a list of all your products in the store. From here, select the product that you want to put on sale by clicking on its name. Now the product details page will open on the screen. Scroll down to the pricing section. Here, you will see the price box. In the price box, enter the sale price that you want your customers to pay, and do the same if you have different variants. Once you are done, click on the Save button from the top right corner. Now let's go back to the store page and refresh it to view the changes. And there you go, your product will show the sale price on the product page. And that's it. This is how you can add a sale price to Shopify. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.